Hello, everyone. Welcome to Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. I'm Michelle Goldstein, and today I'm going to lead you through a breathing and meditation practice. Before we get started, just want to remind you to check out Magic Mind. These little shots are amazing for promoting mental health. It helps really keep me calm, lower stress, and very stabilized energy throughout the day. Highly recommend, filled with all sorts of medicinal mushrooms and adaptogenic herbs, vitamins, and matcha green tea. Check them out. Link in the description of this video. Let us get started with our practice today. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Heart Alchemy Yoga on YouTube. I'm Michelle Goldstein, and today is our pranayama and meditation practice. So we're going to do a little bit of breathing and some dropping in to meditate. This is one of my favorites. So let us get started. This is such a beautiful accompaniment to your yoga practice. It's part of the yoga practice. So the asana practice, I should say. So this is a great practice to do after you've done a flow. Okay, sit yourself up. Head, neck, and shoulders all in a long line. And just take a moment to drop in to yourself. And we'll start with some alternate nostril breathing. So we'll plug up the right nostril. I usually take my two pointer fingers onto my third eye. Right hand plugs up the right nostril. Inhale through the left. And then close up the left and exhale through the right. Inhale right side. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. And keep going, a few more rounds. Let it be smooth. Beautiful. Okay, release. And now we'll do a deep breath in. Hold your breath. And exhale slowly. Pause on empty. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Good. Big breath in. And we're going to do some breath of fire. So big exhale, let your breathing come to natural for a moment. And we're going to do 3 rounds of Kapalabhati breathing, a cycle of 30 breaths each. And it's this forceful exhale through either the mouth or the nose. but the inhale will come naturally. So I usually mix it up, but let's see. Sometimes it comes out through the nose. Sometimes I feel more the mouth, but you find what works for you. And let us begin. Biggest breath in and go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Again, biggest breath in. Round two. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, we'll do one more round. I'll demo one round through the nose as well. So big breath in and begin. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Just allow yourself to settle in, and we're going to do a little meditation from here now that we've got the pranas flowing a little. Bring your awareness into your body. And as you inhale, imagine you could bring the breath all the way down to the base of your spine. And then as you exhale, exhale through the crown of your head. Right? So you inhale all the way down. Without forcing the breath, the exhale moves all the way up through the crown. And now, when you inhale, just gently to yourself, say the word so. And when you exhale, still moving the breath through the crown, hum. And say this internally. On the inhale, so. On the exhale, hum. Continue like that. Allow the breath to breathe you. With that so. Hum. If your mind wanders, bring it back. Gently, lovingly. So. Hum. Bring your mind to your heart space. Feel the heart space radiate in every direction. Infinitely. Rest your mind here in your heart space and radiate in every direction infinitely. Soften anything you can soften right now. And enjoy what there is to enjoy in this moment. Soften anything you can soften. Soften more. And enjoy what there is to enjoy in this moment. Bring the palms together in front of your heart. May we be at peace. May our hearts remain open. May we know the beauty of our own true nature. May we be healed. May we be sources of healing in the world. Thank you so very much for practicing with me today. I hope that you feel amazing. Love you loads, and we will see you soon. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and find us on Instagram, find us on Facebook. Be well.